Good morning to you actually, because I'm recording it in the evening. This is a recorded session, but I will be there in the chat hopefully to help you guys out uh, when you are seeing this video on Monday morning. So, good morning, guys. This is a session on live DILR set solving. My name is Suneet Kumbhat. What we do over here is we solve a set live on YouTube so that you can see how I go about a particular set. I generally give the set to you in advance so that you can also solve. So if you've been attending these sessions, obviously you've already seen the set for today and hopefully you've attempted it as well. If you're attending this for the first time with me, no problems. आज के दिन आप थोड़ा सा साथ में सॉल्व करने की कोशिश कीजिए और फिर अगले दिन से कल से आप सेट पहले से अटेम्प्ट करके आइए सो दैट यू कैन कंपेयर हाउ यू गो अबाउट द सेट with me, that how I go about a set, and if I get stuck, what do I do, what points did you get stuck on, what did I do over there, and so on and so forth, right? So that is going to help you in terms of your learning, in terms of how you approach a particular set. Okay, so these sets that I do, I don't prepare for them. I've not seen them as such sometime before taking the session or anything. I'm just trying to solve them from scratch the way I would do them in the exam. Okay, so I try to also sometimes do it quick, but sometimes I just keep explaining while I solve. But हाँ, थोड़ा अप्रोच आपको एक समझ में आएगा तो एक आपके लिए in terms of your strategies it will be very good and it will help you attain your desired percentile. So yes, after this brief, let's get going with this particular session. So initially I'll just give my introduction and some things about Unacademy. So my name is Suneet Kumbhat. I am an alumni of IIT Delhi and I've done my MBA from IIM Calcutta 2014 to 2016 batch. I scored a 100 percentile in CAT 2013, after which obviously I went to IIM Calcutta. 16 में graduate होने के बाद I have my own startup and I have been teaching as well since the last 5.5 years. ठीक है? So this is my 6th batch. Taught a lot of students, a lot of them into the top B schools of the country. Have even graduated and now working with some of the best organizations in the world. This is about Unacademy. So there's an iconic subscription where you get live mentoring. Okay? You get one-to-one mentoring in iconic subscription where there's a personalized learning experience with expert mentors, and you can discuss your doubts, clarify concepts, enhance your exam strategy, which tests to give, what to study when. Everything is going to happen. Get a 10% off using the code CAT10. You can also use my code Suneet Live to get a 10% off. ठीक है, अगर आपको मेरी टीचिंग पसंद है तो आप सुनीत लाइव भी यूज कर सकते हैं to get a 10% off. These are some of the batches which have recently started on Unacademy. Some expert educators over here. So now to get access to these batches, you need to either have an iconic subscription or a plus subscription. Okay? So a plus subscription will not give you a personal mentor. An iconic will do that as well. A plus will only give you access to all these courses and batches happening on Unacademy. Workshops are going on right now, so every day there are a few workshops from 13th to 16th August, and 17th there's a test as well. So you can probably attempt them on the Unacademy application. I also have a lot of plus and special classes over there. So if you're not having the Unacademy application, you could probably make an account, join in over here and attend more such classes. Okay? Some offers going on: buy 12 months of subscription, get 3 months of subscription free, or buy 24 months of subscription, get 3 months of subscription free. Every Sunday there is Combat which happens, which is a scholarship test, the biggest scholarship test in the country. You can use my code Suneet Live to take the test. If you're amongst the top 200 ranks, you get certain discounts and scholarships in terms of your plus subscriptions. Right. So let's now go to the set and then we'll come back to the learnings. So we've been doing test number 7 and go on reattempt test. Right. I think we are done till question 20 the last time. Yes. So we'll do this last set in this particular test and then we'll finish it off. Okay, let me just close this. Yeah, cool. Right. So following tables are based on the data about the rides of 100 cab drivers in the period of 1 month. Table 1 shows the number of drivers whose rides are fewer than or equal to the given number of rides. These rides do not include cancelled rides. Okay, so basically कितनी rides हुई है? So 11 drivers are less than equal to 100, 46 are less than equal to 200. So 11 out of these 46 are less than equal to 100, means the other 35 are between 100 and 200. तो ये चीज़ हमने समझ ली है इधर ही. Table 2 shows the number of drivers who received more than the given number of 5-star ratings. Okay, so more than 50 is 100, more than 75 is 76. So again this is kind of cumulative, नीचे से ऊपर ध्यान रखेंगे. Table 3 shows the number of drivers who had more than the given number of ride cancellations. So more than 0 81 drivers, ठीक है. more than 573 and so on and so forth. Again cumulative types है, ठीक है. अभी के लिए ज्यादा डीप में नहीं घुसते इसके अंदर. First we'll see the first question and then we'll come back to it. So this is the data. If you've not solved it yet, if you are seeing the recording of this video, you might even want to just pause it and just read this and see the question and try solving by yourselves. चलिए हम पढ़ते हैं. Any cab driver X who has more rides than another cab driver Y has necessarily more than or equal number of 5-star ratings to that of Y. ठीक है, तो ज्यादा अगर राइड्स है तो नंबर ऑफ 5-star रेटिंग भी ज्यादा है. सिमिलरली एनी कैब ड्राइवर X who has more rides than another cab driver Y has necessarily more than or equal number of ride cancellations to that of cab driver Y, right? Okay, so these are the cancellations over here. Perfect. So more or equal मतलब लाइन से जा रहा है सारा कुछ, ठीक है, fair enough. Which of the following statements is true? There are exactly 49 drivers who have more than 75 but fewer than 201 5-star ratings and had more than 200 rides but fewer than 301 rides. Wow, this is going to be a bit difficult. Okay, 5-star rating, more than 75 but less than 201. So okay, एक सेकेंड. पहली बात तो about 100 कैब ड्राइवर्स बोल दिया, ठीक है. So oops, I need my paint document. Here it is. ठीक है, so more than 75 and less than 200, this is going to be 24 ऊपर के आप कैब ड्राइवर्स हटा दो. This is going to be the 25th कैब ड्राइवर टू नीचे के साथ हटा दो, so to the 93rd कैब ड्राइवर. ठीक है, 25th to 93rd है ना, 77 80 या परफेक्ट. तो 5-star रेटिंग के हिसाब से तो हमने ये कर लिया है 25th to 93rd. और क्या बोल रहे हैं, had more than 200 rides but fewer than 301 rides. So more than 200 fewer than 300. So more than 200 will be 46 हटा दो तो 47th कैब ड्राइवर टू 83rd कैब ड्राइवर. ठीक है, इधर तो 49 बन ही नहीं रहे तो मुझे इंटरसेक्शन वगैरह लेने की जरूरत नहीं है वैसे तो. So yeah, I think option A is not the right answer. They're not exactly 49 cab drivers. More than 200, fewer than 300 rides ही नहीं होते. तो चलिए आगे बढ़ते फिर. There's exactly one cab driver who has more than 150 5-star ratings and had more than 30 but fewer than 41 ride cancellations. More than 150 5-star ratings. So last 19 है, so 82nd to 100th होंगे ऐसे ड्राइवर्स जिनके मोर देन 150 5-star रेटिंग्स है. एंड कैंसिलेशन कितने बोले, मोर देन 30 एंड लेस देन 41. सो मोर देन 30 एंड लेस देन 41, आखिरी के 18 हटा दो तो 81st नहीं 82nd तक जाएगा. हाँ ये सही लग रहा है. 33 है तो 68th to 82nd है ना. 15 लोग बन रहे हैं तो 82nd is the common one. So I think this is going to be my answer. फिर मैं बाकी सब देख लेता हूँ. No cab driver who had more than 50 but fewer than 76 5-star ratings had any ride cancellations. More than 50 but fewer than 76 5-star ratings. So 24 cab drivers such are there. 19 ही है जिनकी 0 कैंसिलेशंस है. सो कुछ होंगे डेफिनेटली जिनकी है कैंसिलेशंस, तो ये सही नहीं है. There are exactly 14 cab drivers who had more than 250 but fewer than 301 rides and more than 30 but fewer than 41 ride cancellations and more than 100 but fewer than 201 5 स्टार रेटिंग्स, बाप रे 250 एंड 300 के बीच में आई एम हैविंग 66 to 83. ठीक है, more than 30 and fewer than 41 cancellations is going to be again these ones. ठीक है, तो अब ये कॉमन बच गया मेरे पास. And more than 100 but fewer than 201 5 star ratings is going to be 50th to 93rd. तो हाँ यही रेंज बनता है. तो 68 to 82 15 बन रहे हैं, 14 नहीं है, तो 15 होने चाहिए. सो आई थिंक आई एम राइट ओवर हियर. वाओ लंबा था ये तो. व्हाट इज द नंबर ऑफ कैब ड्राइवर्स हु हैड मोर देन 200 राइड्स, had more than 100 but fewer than 151 5 star ratings, and had more than 30 but fewer than 41 ride cancellations. Okay. More than 200 cab rides. More than 200 cab rides. तो नीचे के 46 हटा दूं अगर मैं, तो 47th to 100th होंगे. ठीक है. More than 100 but fewer than 151 5 star ratings. So this is going to be 50th. ठीक है. More than 100 are 51 people. So 50th to 100th are 51 people. ठीक है. So 50th और fewer than 151 बोले ना, fewer than 151. या so नीचे के 19 हटा देंगे अगर हम, तो 81st. ठीक है. तो अब कॉमन ये वाले बचे हैं, ये रेंज हटा देते हैं, रेंज थोड़ी कम हो गई है. More than 30 but fewer than 41 ride cancellations. So this is going to be 68th to 82nd. ठीक है. अब इसमें अगर मैं कॉमन देखूं तो 68 to 81st होंगे, मतलब 14 लोग कॉमन है. My answer is going to be 14. Perfect, it matches. 68, 69, 70, 71 and another 10 till 81. Yes, 14. आप ऐसे भी काउंट कर सकते हैं. How many cab drivers? आई होप आप लोगों को समझ रहा है कि मैं कैसे 68 और 81 और ये सब मैं कैसे निकाल रहा हूँ. बेसिकली लास्ट 33 बच रहे हैं. सो 100 में से अगर मैंने 33 हटा दिए तो 67 जो लोग हैं वो इसके नीचे, तो 68 इज द फर्स्ट अमंग दीज 33. ठीक है. तो 68 to 100 द ड्राइवर, मैंने ड्राइवर्स को नंबर कर दिया 1 2 3 4 से लेके 100 तक. 1 is having the minimum number of rides and hence minimum number of ride cancellation and 5 star rating, and 100 is the maximum number of rides, maximum number of 5 star ratings and maximum number of cancellations as well. Okay. How many cab drivers had more than 300 but fewer than 401 rides, and had more than 150 but fewer than 201 5 star ratings? Okay. So more than 300 and fewer than 400 rides बोल रहे हैं. So I will have to figure out which ones are these. So more than 300 are going to be the remaining 17 people. So 84th ड्राइवर से 96th ड्राइवर तक. ठीक है. आखिरी के 4 है जो 400 से भी ऊपर होंगे. ठीक है. More than 300 but fewer than 401 rides, more than 150 but fewer than 201 5 star ratings. So this is from 82nd to 93rd. बाकी के 7 होंगे जो 200 से ज़्यादा है. सब कॉमन अगर मैं देखूँ तो 84th to 93rd होता है. So these are 10 people. My answer should be 10. Wow, options are close, but I'm pretty sure my answer would be right over here. Last question. How many cab drivers had more than 250 rides and more than 30 but fewer than 41 ride cancellations, and had fewer than 100 5-star ratings? Fewer than 100 5-star ratings and more than 250 rides. नहीं, ये तो जीरो लग रहे हैं क्योंकि more than 250 rides. Let me just put my rough working somewhere side में कर देते हैं. So more than 250 rides is going to be the 66th to 100th cab driver. Okay. More than 250 rides, had more than 30 but fewer than 41 ride cancellations. अच्छा कैंसिलेशंस बोल रहे हैं. ओके. नहीं, हाँ, fewer than 100 5-star ratings. Fewer than 100. More than 100 are the last 51. Fewer than 100 are the first 49. So first to 49th. No boss, zero intersection over here. So the answer is going to be 0 such cab drives. अच्छा सवाल है ये, मतलब कंफ्यूज कर सकता है किसी को भी. So these are our 4 questions. Let's end the test and let's see our answers whether they match or not. Let's see the view solution section Let's go directly at the end of this test, questions 21 to 24. Okay, yeah. So 21 we got it right, perfect. 22 we got it right. 23 we got it right. And 24 also we got it right. So I hope you guys have been able to understand how we solved this. I'll also show you the solutions of each of these questions that have been given. I'm pretty sure they are going to be pretty cumbersome. Yeah. You see carefully, बाप रे, ये लोग ने तो पूरा टेबल बना दिया है जो तीनों चीजें हैं उनके अगेंस्ट कितने नंबर है हर एक कॉम्बिनेशन वगैरह ले लेके, तो आप वो भी कर सकते थे, ठीक है. सो कैब ड्राइवर्स और इतने इतने आपके नंबर्स बना दिए और फिर चारों सवाल एक साथ सॉल्व कर लिए. हमने ये नहीं किया, हमने हर एक सवाल का अलग अलग से वर्किंग किया. आई थिंक टाइम ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर लगता सब में, तो could do either of the two ways. I go question by question so that at least in the exam if I attempt this set in the end I can do at least one or two questions over here, right? So I would not make this table and then do, otherwise बहुत सारा टाइम निकल जाएगा. क्वेश्चन बाय क्वेश्चन में एक और एक आइडिया भी लग जाता है कि सेट कितना इजी या डिफिकल्ट है, तो आप पहला एक सवाल अटेम्प्ट करके भी निकल सकते हो. जब आप टेबल बनाने लग जाओ तो आपका एक साथ बहुत सारा टाइम इन्वेस्टमेंट हो जाता है. सो आई डोंट नो, आई वुड प्रॉब्ली अवॉइड द टेबल इन सच अ क्वेश्चन. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का सोल्यूशन, काफ़ी लेंदी है. दिस इज द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन का सोल्यूशन, अगेन काफ़ी लेंदी है. दिस इज द थर्ड क्वेश्चन का सोल्यूशन, ठीक है. And this is the fourth. I think second, third, fourth, once you got the first, were easy to solve. First was the most difficult, because if you check each of the fourth option, it's pretty lengthy. ठीक है. So these were the four questions for today. Let's now check our learnings. Learnings, I think I would say around the rough working only. So again, in such questions, you have to be very careful because of the cumulative nature of the data. ठीक है. Cumulative है, फिर बाद में more than और less than, ये भी काफी कंफ्यूजिंग था, ठीक है. कुछ जगह मोर देन चीजें कंफ्यूजिंग थी, कुछ जगह लेस देन वाली चीजें कंफ्यूजिंग थी. तो यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल अबाउट दीज. एंड अगेन सेट सिलेक्शन, ऐसा सेट आई वुड रादर अटेम्प्ट टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ द एग्जाम, और जब 5-7 मिनट बचे होंगे तो शायद 1 से 2 सवाल मैं ट्राई कर सकता हूँ, ठीक है. और वो ट्राई करने के बाद मैं सेट छोड़ भी सकता हूँ. इसमें अगर मैं क्वेश्चन सिलेक्शन भी करता, so I would have gone with the second, third and fourth question. ठीक है, I would have gone with the second, third and fourth and then come to the first question which was slightly more lengthy. ठीक है. Let's come back now and see all the 6 sets of this test. ये वाला टेस्ट थोड़ा अलग था, काफी डिफिकल्ट सेट्स थे. In fact, when I had done a live solving session on this particular test, it was difficult. I generally get more than 60 marks. I think I had got 57 marks over here. एक बार वापस ये टेस्ट देखते हैं. We'll see this test again. Let's just see which sets should have been done. So I think this set was again a lengthy one, but could have been done. ठीक है. ये जो 6 सवाल वाला था ये थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट था ज़्यादा, तो ये मेरे ख्याल से आपको छोड़ना था. ये लॉकर वाला जो सवाल था ये भी थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड तो था, पर शायद आपको ये वाला करना पड़ता, क्योंकि अगेन ये 6 सवाल वाला सेट जो था, अगर आपके वेटेड एवरेजेस अच्छे नहीं थे तो आप ये नहीं कर सकते थे. और ये 4 साल वाला भी थोड़ा लेंदी ज़्यादा था. सो इन द एग्जाम आई वुड हैव प्रोबेबली गॉन फॉर द लॉकर क्वेश्चन, द कैबराइट क्वेश्चन, sorry, the locker question, the bar graph question, and then amongst the other 3 it would have been a toss up as to what I would do the third and then the fourth and so, right? So that is what my assessment would be of this particular test, right? So I will end the session over here. If you have any queries you can put it as a comment. I generally try to come back and see the comments that you guys have put up, so I will try to help you guys out if possible. Hopefully I'll be there in the live chat to help you guys out with whatever questions you have. देखते हैं, let's see. Otherwise आप मुझसे बाद में भी पूछ सकते हैं when I return back to do the live sessions. चलिए, thank you so much guys for being here, for being so patient and understanding everything, and I hope this gives you a good start to the day, and I hope you now study hard, not just for the day but for the week ahead as well. Till we meet tomorrow, keep cracking it. Bye bye. Take care.